Hey everyone, this is a demo of a local AI with natural language processing and text to speech.
In German, hello is translated as hello.
Tallest building.
As of now, the tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates.
Distance from LA to San Francisco by car.
The driving distance between Los Angeles and San Francisco is approximately 383 miles. 616 kilometers. If you take the most direct route via Interstate 5 North.
Flying distance from Hong Kong to Singapore.
The flying distance between Hong Kong and Singapore is approximately 1,950 kilometers. 1,212 miles. If you fly in a straight line.
Write a snake game in Python.
Creating a complete snake game in Python within this response is not feasible due to its length and complexity.